Let's add a simple projectile. Go here, create an area node. The area node has a collision shape as a child. The area node also has an animated sprite as a child. For the animated sprite, add a new sprite frames, click this, and then I'm going to pick one of these. It is 2 across and 4 down. I'm going to choose this one. That's going to be my animated sprite. The collision shape is going to be a circle shape. Zoom in on that. The code for this, when I save it, I'm going to save it into here as projectile. And rename this to that. Projectile code, underscore process, translate, vector 2 dot right times speed times delta. Bar speed equals 500. This is our projectile. To make it shootable by the player, go here, we're going to grab a reference to that. So I'm going to hold Control, drag that up into here. Then, in this part, after moving slide, if import dot is action just press shoot, we'll have to define that in a moment. If it's just press shoot, we're going to say var new projectile equals projectile dot instantiate projectile dot position dot global position equals global position of the player. Add sibling, new projectile. We'll add it to the scene. I do need to define my input map. Shoot. It's going to be spacebar. Set my world. Projectile done. Next video, we'll look at enemies.